Hi beauties, it's Jean with Beauty and the Stamper. And guess where I went? Dollar Tree. I'm so excited. Let me go ahead and show you some of the things we got. I got some stickers. You guys, you know I love stickers. Those are pizza stickers. And these are s'mores stickers. And apparently they are scented, kind of like the scratch and sniffs back in the day. So I had to pick those up. I also found this Girl Power sticker. I know it's been around for a while, but I had to grab one of those for one of my aunts. Let's see. They have burlap flowers now. So pretty. And those are very comparable to the ones that I was purchasing from Michael's. Look at these little ornaments with the stars and the beads. I have a couple of these trinket wood pieces. I'll be using those. Let's see what else. This one is just adorable. This is a huge home sign. Sorry, I know it's not, but it's a big sign. And there's things you can't see. This is a nice big round piece of wood there. Look at this. Beads with these little guys on them. What else do I have? Oh, I picked up a couple of these. These are from the toy collection. They're used to hold your Matchbox cars or your little Lego guys. But I thought these would be perfect for a crafter because it is a 6-box thing that are going to hold nice, maybe big stickers or some of your embellishments or your paper craft items. And so I grabbed 3 of those. Let's see. I grabbed those ornaments again, but with the blue stars. Adorable. I picked up that guy. How cute is that? It's the size of my hand, you guys. It's a nice size. It also came in a different shape of a starfish. What else did I get? Oh, I got a couple more of these with different shapes. These have bicycles and stuff like that. The other ones had little bugs. And then I got these 3. This says work hard, be kind, and finally relax. So I just thought those were way adorable. So I grabbed those. And you guys, that's everything I got this time. I hope you like it. If you want to see more Dollar Tree hauls, give me a big thumbs up. And I would love to show you. All right, beauties. Thank you so much. I'm so glad to be doing Dollar Tree with you again. And I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye.